Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to disable keyboard sounds on your iPhone 16e. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics and tap on it. Again, scroll down to the keyboard feedback option and tap it. You can see two options, Sounds and Haptics. Tap the switch next to Sound to turn it off. If you also want to disable vibrations when typing, tap the switch next to Haptic to turn it off. And that's it. Your iPhone's keyboard won't make sounds when you type. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide.